personal and professional life together and happily. So just because of my passion, and along with this, I'm also managing my YouTube life. Now I'm so yes,
That
I
is
have managed everything just because of and still look, this voice is not my real voice. I think I'm getting, by shouting all time with my student, I'm getting throat infection, and this is not my real voice, but still I'm enjoying, I'm talking to you just because of my passion. Yes, I'm passionate about English language because I love my job as well, my teaching job, and also I love this journey, English speaking journey. And if I talk about my household, so I love all household chores except of cooking.
was your morning so far?
Sir, it's all good, and as always, my mornings are hectic because there's lots of work in morning. I have to go to school and I have to prepare breakfast for me, for my son, and I have to get my son or got my son also ready. So there's lots of work, and after that, I have to go to school, and after returning, just I'm talking to you.
Great, great. I
So
think nowadays you are doing hard work as well. My God, you have a tough responsibility just because of your family and you as well. Okay, so let it be. So please tell me, and what do you think about English language and why? How can we learn English language without spending money? And if someone is want to learn language, who want to speak in language, so please can you suggest them how can they learn English language?
yes, sir. Of course, I can suggest. You know that I am also learning English language, and nowadays I am learning still. And in my initial day, but I can say that I'm feeling comfortable talking English with anyone. But earlier, I was not. So definitely, I would love to share my personal feelings so that in this way, other learners and beginners can also get themselves motivated to learn English communication. So first of all,
Hmm.
if we talk about English communication, like why it is important to learn English. So nowadays we all know very well, like English has become international language, and means whenever we go anywhere, so we have to face English language. And just suppose if we are having immense knowledge, but we are not having English communication skill, so definitely at that moment we have to face embarrass, we have to face same. But if we are having English communication skill, so definitely wherever we go, we will go with full confidence and smartness, and definitely we will impress the person before us with our communication skill. So
Mhm.
nowadays I can since I am observing that thing, if you know English communication skill, if you are able to speak English confidently with anyone, so the people before you automatically they will consider you as smart. And just suppose you are having immense knowledge, but you are not able to express all your knowledge in English in front of anyone, so people will not consider you as much smart as with English language. So this is the reality of this world. And yes, nowadays there's a plus point of English language. If we are having English communication skills, so suppose we are going to an means any other place, like other city, in other state, so their mother tongue must be different from our mother tongue. So in the case, they all are also learning English as a second language, and we are also learning as a second language. So we all can communicate with each other, we all can express, exchange our thought, ideas or opinion with English language. So this is the importance of English language. We all should give importance to this language, and we also try to learn English as our second language. And if you are asking about what to do to learn English language, so first of all we should try to focus on all the learning process, as reading, like listening and writing, means all are process of learning English communication. But sir, personally, what I realized, for me, listening and speaking practice are crucial, because means after listening, I felt myself like, yes, I'm able to understand English very well. So now I have to speak also. So when I started speaking day by day, earlier I was feeling so much
Yeah.
underconfident. But nowadays, yes, by doing practice on regular basis, I'm feeling myself comfortable. And I also want to suggest all our viewers, yes, if you want to speak English, so try to start speaking practice along with all practice. Don't try to focus only on listening, reading, writing. Along with that, speaking is most important practice, so we should focus on it more and more.
Great, great. You mean if you are a good listener, so you can be a good speaker in your life. Great.
Yes, yes, sir.
Great.
And this is the fact, and also it's old saying like a good listener can become a good speaker only.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Yes, sir. So I want to ask you, like, what you think about listening? Just we all are learning English communication, so we all are listening. So what do you think? How to listen? Whatever we are listening, how to listen?
Yeah, I would like to say that if you are a beginner and if you want to learn a language and if you want to improve your communication skills, so I think you must know how much important listening, you know. And if I talk about our native language, so how did we learn our native language? Just because of listening and speaking,
Yes,
you know. So we must know how much important. So we should start, you know, we should start first baby like baby step. You know, you can, if you are not able to understand, so you can listen like like a non-native conversation, like in non-native speaker. Here is a lot of like us, you know, they have uploaded their
yes,
video. They are nowadays they are uploading, so you can go and watch them. Maybe you are able to get understand all of them, you know, because if you know how, if you know how to make sentences, and if you are like if you know how to make sentence, if you know to how to write, so definitely I will sure I must say that you can learn, you can speak.
yes,
It is so first we should learn grammar. After that we can go, we can jump like listening, you know,
yes,
speaking part. So I would like to say that first, if you are like beginner, so please learn grammar, and after that, as well you can listen like a podcast or conversation video like this. You can start first. You can start the speaking part. You know, like if you are not able to understand, so you can start like this. You know, like whatever any type of sentence you can take. Like I read book. You know, I read. I will read. You know, I read like this. You can start just
yes, sir.
first.
Do you know, sir, that in my initial day, what I was doing when I was reading something, so I always tried one thing, like whatever I'm reading, I should try to speak this from my
Yeah,
mouth, from my
yeah,
words. And I did this. And means just suppose learning, I'm reading any particular topic, like about time, about patience, all these type of topic I was always interested to listen. So I was listening, I was reading from like mobile and from any book. So after reading, I just try to learn it and then try to speak it. And the same thing I did with my listening practice also. Means whatever I listened in my initial day, I decided to speak all these things from my
yeah,
mouth. And I also did this, sir. I did this.
yeah.
And
It's
just because of doing this, and now I'm at least able to speak English. So actually, sometime, do you know that for learners and beginners, what is the biggest obstacle in English? So, of course, I know that everyone will say, like, whenever we start speaking in initial days, so after some time, our mind goes blank completely. It happened with everyone. And I also faced this problem, do you know? And this is the problem. Means just because of this problem, I converted to my mother tongue Hindi, and I was comfortable. Means
yeah,
whenever I
you know.
started speaking English, so when I realized, like, oh my god, now my mind is going to be blank, because I was not getting exact words, so I just converted to my mother tongue and started speaking, and that's why I avoid English. I always avoided English. But nowadays, whenever my mind goes blank, but I never convert to my mother tongue. I try to use alternate of that word, that
Yeah.
sentence.
Yeah, you
So
are
this,
absolutely right. No, why we get stuck, why we get stuck just because
yes,
we are not habitual to speaking language. And our native
yes,
language is Hindi, we are habitual to speak Hindi language
yes,
whole day, and because we know we didn't know we didn't know how to speak in language but
yes,
nowadays we are able to learn in language just because of environment. And I think environment plays a crucial role and if you
yes, sir, you are
almost
right.
19 I said true if you have a good environment any type of like things if you are like preparing for government job and you have a good environment and they are almost all of guys they are preparing for like IAS PCR like this you have an environment and you are not like good you are not like good so maybe you can be a good IAS species
Yes, sir,
you can create your
right.
exam environment is plays a crucial role so I think but nowadays we are having environment no so we have a
Yes,
good environment just because of technology and if I talk about social media oh my god it is looking like a little god so
yes,
whatever we want so we can go and search like whatever you want and you can get easily so I think if
sir,
nowadays everything is possible and you
yes,
just don't give up and just stay motivated and trust yourself and yeah it's, dedication I think dedication or desire you should know you must know about like dedication or desire if you have desire and you don't know about like dedication and consistency with consistency which you must know how much important consistency so I think with consistency if you have so you will definitely you will get your job or
sir, you are
anything.
right. And means it's not about only English language. Just suppose what means if we are doing something different in our life, means whatever we are studying or doing or learning, not only English. So we have to be consistent in every
Yeah,
situation. Without
cons-
being consistent and persistent towards our journey or goal, we can't achieve it. This is the fact.
yeah, you are absolutely right. It's true. Any type of thing, if you are like doing, like you are on, yeah, if you are on to do something, so please keep motivated, keep doing. Just stay motivated. Everything is possible.
Sir, honestly, I also want to share one thing. Means, you know that about my channel, why I created my channel, just because of being consistent. Just because of, yes, to be consistent, not being
True.
consistent. Yes, to be consistent. And do you know that when I didn't start my channel, so that time I was not consistent. That's why I was not able to speak English, just because I was doing procrastination. Some just suppose one day I speak and another day I feel like okay, I don't want to, so let it be. But now at least I'm speaking on daily basis, not a lot, but means whatever time I'm getting, at least I'm speaking just because of my channel, and in this way I am consistent at least on this English speaking way. So consistency
Yeah,
plays crucial role in everything.
you are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So you have another question, please. Otherwise, I have a lot of question, but I think you are free or not.
No, sir. If you want, you can ask. You can ask me any question. I also want to see myself that if I will be able to give answer of your random question or not. So please ask me.
Okay, so what do you think about like a professional life? What do you think about professional life and personal life? How do you manage your professional life as well personal life?
Yes, sir. Obviously, means the professional life and a personal life we have to be managed. And means which type of answer you want, I can't understand. But just look, professional life. If just suppose I am teacher in my school, so I have to show others like yes, I'm teacher. There's a like a designation of teacher, so I have to behave like this. I can't do this. There are lots of instruction that we have to follow. Like yes, we are teacher, so we are not allowed to do that. And in personal life, I just we can do anything and without any prohibition. And just you tell me something. I think I didn't give correct answer of your this question.
No, I got it, and I'm satisfied. Okay, so don't think like this because we are learners, so we make mistakes and we will learn all those mistakes. So don't think like this. Okay, and you did good. So why are you telling me like this?
No, sir. Actually, I think I didn't give correct answer. As you asked, professional and personal. So yes, if you ask about managing, how I am managing. So yes, I have to manage, and if I am managing both my person. Sometime I sometime in my class with my students, there's a exercise type, like in simple present tense, I love cooking, she loves cooking. So I said, oh my god, but your ma'am doesn't love cooking. So they started laughing, ma'am, but you always prepare breakfast, why are you saying this?
Yeah,
You don't
I'm also,
you don't like
yeah,
cooking. I said,
everyone like is facing like this problem. I'm also nowadays like having like this problem. So but I know everything how to cook. I can cook everything.
That's a great thing, and I must say you are multiple talented person. Like you know how to cook food, and that is great thing. If I see any such type of like male who is able to cook food, so I always used to say my husband, look at this person. You should. So he said, yes, I'm also able to prepare tea, and I'm making tea for you. Okay, I said, recently, Miss Hartley, he has learned how to make tea. Otherwise, he doesn't know anything
He
in
didn't know.
cooking.
Yeah.
And do you know, sir, that sometimes I'm means cooking food reluctantly, but I don't know why. Sometimes it's due to tiredness, maybe, and but sometimes I'm cooking like willingly. I can say not all time. I'm not cooking all time reluctantly. It's not true. But yes, I can say I don't like cooking.
Yeah, but I like cook. If
Oh my god.
now I'm alone, so I prepare everything. I prepare everything like my breakfast, lunch, and dinner like this. I prepare myself.
Yes, that's great, sir.
Mm.